What's up, YouTubers? This is Chetan here, and welcome back to my channel Nature Design. And yes, after a long break, I'm back with a new video. And of course, this will be not a bottle terrarium. Instead of that, I have added something else to the terrarium, and that is I'll be making a lamp terrarium. Yes, and this is the lamp which I've made for this particular terrarium. I would like to show you how I made it and what materials did I use to make this lamp. So first of all, I have used two rings. This is a wooden ring that is shown in the image, and I've drilled hole through those rings, and then later on I passed the barbecue sticks to both the rings. After sticking the barbecue stick at both the ends of the ring with the help of liquid glue or say Fevikwik, I covered up the whole lamp with the help of jute rope. You can see in the image. I have also used some PVC pipes in it. This is a 1-inch pipe. I have drilled hole in it, and I have used again the barbecue stick which I have stuck inside the pipe and to the corners of the wooden ring. And this is just a connector between a 1-inch pipe and a 2-inch pipe which I have covered with jute rope for the stand, which will be attached on the bottle. And this is how I made this whole lamp cover. Hopefully you will like this terrarium, and I am sure you will like this lamp too. So without wasting our precious time, we will go ahead and make this lamp terrarium happen. So let's go for it. So the false bottom will be Lika clay balls. I'll be just having a small layer of Lika clay balls down there, and second layer will be mosquito mesh, and I finally got this black colored mosquito mesh. I was searching for this from so many days, and finally I got it. And the reason I'm using black colored mosquito mesh is that it will be not visible from outside, and it will not just ruin the looks of the terrarium. And next layer is a charcoal layer. You can use any kind of charcoal. It doesn't require to be have activated charcoal, because I haven't used any of this activated charcoal in my terrarium. Although if you can get it, you can go ahead and buy it, but I always like to have the common charcoal. And charcoal layers clean the water in the terrarium. And finally comes the layer of substrate, which consists of dry moss, cocoa peat, and sand or soil. And if you do have coconut bark, you can go ahead and add coconut bark to it. But if you don't have it, it's okay. And for the hardscape purpose, I am using crushed lava rock and some small size of lava rock that can just go ahead and pass through the nozzle of the bottle. And the reason I'm using the crushed lava rock is I would like to add on some moss to this terrarium, and the moss really grows well on a crushed lava rock. And with the help of the brush, I'm just spreading the crushed sand of the lava rock. I am also using some small cuttings of driftwood that can easily pass through the nozzle of the bottle. It's plantation time, and this is Anabias nana, which I'm going to just go ahead and pass through the nozzle of the bottle. What you have to do is just gently push the plant inside through the nozzle. You don't have to hesitate, or you might just damage the plant. So you have to put it gently inside. And now I'm using my faithful tweezers, which will help me to just plant the plant in the right position. and I do have one more plant that has to be planted inside, and this is Anubias coin leaf, which I'm going to plant it inside with Anubias nana. Just let me gently push it inside, and here it is inside. And now with the help of long tweezers, I'm going to just set the plants in the right position which I want it to be. I just want the plants to be in the center of the bottle, and that's I'm trying to do. And also I'm trying to set up the hardscape, although later on out of the 3 driftwood I just removed one of them, and you can see that it is really hard to set up the plants inside the bottle, but little bit of patience will help you into this. Now that the hardscape and the plants are in the position, I am placing Christmas moss in it, and this is the same moss which I have been cultivating in so many days in a bottle. So this moss has started growing really well, and that's the reason I'm using this moss over here in this build. And now the bottle is looking really great, the terrarium is looking really great, and the hardscape has just added some more beauty in it. As I said, I just added 2 pieces of driftwood in it. The first one was in between the 2 plants, and this is the second one which I have added to it, and I really think that this is looking really cool. And now it's time to add Springtails to it, and this is the culture which I have created recently, and the number of Springtails are growing really well in this place. Springtails will help the terrarium to be cleaned by eating the algae and all the fungus growing inside. So that's it guys, this is how the terrarium looks, and I hope that you like this terrarium, and if you do like it, please go ahead and press the thumbs up button. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, this is the right time to subscribe to my channel, so go ahead and hit the subscription button. And if you have any questions regarding how I made this lamp, so you can go ahead and ask me in the comment box, and I'll be happy to help you in any ways I can. And I also added some hardscape material. I just kept it beside the lamp, and I show you that how you can just decorate the outside of a lamp or a terrarium just by keeping the hardscape beside it, and this is how it looks. So please let me know in the comments box what do you think about it. And that's it for the day guys, see you next week, bye bye and peace.